Hello, welcome to our online class with Kingsley. We have a question on the board under approximation. It says, approximate 93,547 to A, the nearest 10, B, the nearest 100. Actually, it's two questions because you are going to answer A and B, two different approximations. So let's start with A. Solution. For A, we say 93547 to the nearest 10. Unit 10 slash your line. We can call this the line of approximation. Please take note that the line is always drawn after the required value. I repeat, the line is always drawn after the required value, not in front of the required value, but after or behind the required value. Now, let's consider this number here. This number is 7. Now, there is a rule that says from numbers from 0, 1, 2, 3, or 4, you can just say plus 0. Let's put it that way. Plus 0, or simply say you add nothing. Then, numbers from 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9, plus 1. Do you understand? Now, this number is 7. Remember, based on the rule, we can say 7 among the numbers 5 to 9. So we can put plus 1. Now, where do you put your plus 1? You put your plus 1 just before the line, under the number before the line. Not under 5, but under 4. 4 is the number directly before the line, okay? So, you approximate. 4 plus 1 gives you 5. This 5, you bring it down. This 3 here, you bring it down, and the 9, you bring it down. Now, what happens to any number behind the line of approximation? Under the number, you put what? 0, and we are done. I hope number 1 is clear. Now, let's look at question number 2. We are given the same number, but this time, we are to approximate to the nearest 100. So, let's go. B. 93547 to the nearest 100. So we put our unit. Unit times 100. Where do I draw my line of approximation? Like I said earlier, you draw your line of approximation behind the required value, okay? So this is 100. Let's draw our line behind the 100. And now, let's consider this number. The number under consideration is 4. Now, with this number being 4, what happens to this 5? The number immediately before the line. The rule says numbers from 0 to 4, we put plus 0, or simply put, we add nothing. So, let me just put plus 0 here, and then draw my line. 5 plus 0, 5, 3, 9. Now, what happens to all the numbers behind the line? Under them, you put 0. Under the 7, 0. So, with this, we have approximated. Our answer is 93,500. I hope it's very easy. Please feel free to like, comment, and follow. See you in our next class. Thank you.